Hey guys, if you're wondering can you edit or customize coach in Madden 26, so the answer is no. There is no such option available in the game by which you can customize the coach, cause that option is only available while you're doing the initial setup of the franchise. The only workaround you have is to just go to the franchise, select the option create new league at the bottom, and here you can just choose offline or online, whatever you prefer. Now select the roster file if you have. In my case I don't have file, so I'll just proceed with this one and just choose the team, and you're gonna see the option for choose coach type. For the sake of this video I'll go with offensive guru, and as I said, we'll only have the option to customize the coach or edit the coach in the initial setup of the franchise, and now we have that. You can set the first name, last name, all these options, and also you can go to appearance. Here you'll able to change the head of the coach like this, and once you do that you can also change the physique of the coach like this. And next option we have is to choose the apparel. Like here you'll able to change the tops. Next we can change the bottoms. Here underneath of that we have the option to change the shoes as well. And yeah, that's exactly how you can customize or edit coach in Madden 26. This is the only option you have. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.